Hey you guys, it's Miss Arneson and I'm here to talk to you about cheating, particularly plagiarism. So now that you guys are all online at home or wherever you're doing your work at your grandma's house or whatever, you have access to the internet at all times and you're doing your work on the internet and it's really easy to just Google a question and copy and paste the answer into your assignment. But that's called cheating. It's plagiarism. Here is a definition of plagiarism. Whoops, not that one. Here's the definition of plagiarism. It is from, oh dang, why won't it let me click? Oh, it's because this is big. Okay, so here is a definition of plagiarism, representing someone else's work or ideas as your own. So if you do copy and paste something off the internet, you have to say where you got it, when it was written, who wrote it, and then it's not plagiarism. But if you're not saying those things, then you are plagiarizing and cheating and you're going to get a 0. The reason I'm making this little warning video is because I'm like super duper tired, like so tired of looking at plagiarized assignments and then having to figure out where you plagiarized it from, so then I have to give you a 0. I really don't want to spend my time doing that. It's very boring for me. So I'm going to start giving you 0s if you're cheating. We have this thing which I just lost in our policy because I moved it. Why did I do that? Okay, here they are. Okay, these are category A offenses. So this is something that is not serious the first time you do it, but it will be considered more and more serious if you do it more times. You're going to get points for these things. Once you get a certain number of points, you get kicked out. Now, most of these things don't really apply right now because we're online only, so you do not have to worry about not getting your cell phone out in class. But cheating, this is something that is way easier, I think, when you guys are online at home or doing your work. So cheating and plagiarism is a category A. It is 1 point on your record. Like once you get a certain number of points, you get in trouble. You can also earn points back, but you don't want to get points to begin with. The reason that I'm bringing this up is because I think I have a good idea for you to make sure that you're not cheating. So like I know how to help you not cheat anymore. And here's what you need to do. Don't Google things, okay? I have put together lessons that have every single thing you need to know for this class. All the things that are going to be tested, all the things on the standards, those are in the lessons for the unit. So if you just do what you're supposed to in the unit, you finish all the lessons, you write down the notes, you are going to have all of the information that you need on tests. If you can just watch a video and then write down what you remember about that video, then you won't be plagiarizing. But if you're typing what the video says, then you're plagiarizing. So you don't want to do that. You want to just make sure that you are writing down what you remember, what you know, what you understand. And that actually helps me way more as a teacher because everybody knows how to copy and paste. You don't have to prove that to me, but you might not know about the topic that we're covering in class. And I do need you to show me that you understand it because that's how you pass. That's how you move on to the next term. That's how you get your graduation diploma. So please just do not Google any of the questions that I'm asking you. If you go and you can't figure out what I'm asking you based on the information in the lesson, you can call me and I will teach it to you in like an easy, simple way. And then you'll be like, oh, now I can do this assignment. Now I understand. But you absolutely cannot just copy and paste things off of the internet. So when I'm looking at your guys' answers, I'm getting pretty like strict, and if I see something that sounds fishy, like you did not write it, I'm gonna look it up, and if I find it, then you're gonna get a 0. If you keep doing it, then I'm gonna take it to administration and say, you know what, this kid has a real problem. I think they need some sort of consequence for this. And another way for you not to cheat is if you please call me if you don't understand something, and then I will help you understand it, and then you don't have to cheat. Okay, so please, I'm going to make you sign a little pledge that says you're not going to cheat in this class because it's so important. And so now you know what cheating is, and you're going to pledge not to do it. So if you do it, you knew and you made a choice, a bad choice, and there's consequences for that. So please do not cheat. Thank you. Have a good day.